The skies of the 21st century are a complex and dangerous battleground. Gone are the days of simple turning dogfights where the pilot with the sharpest eyes and steadiest hand always won. Today's aerial combat is a high-stakes chess match played at supersonic speeds. It involves stealth technology, advanced sensors, and long-range missiles that can strike from beyond the horizon. In this arena, two very different aircraft represent two distinct approaches to achieving air superiority. They are the Swedish JS-39 Gripen and the Chinese Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. These jets are more than just machines. They are the physical embodiment of their nation's military strategies and industrial capabilities designed to dominate the air in their own unique ways. On one side we have the JS-39 Gripen. It is a lightweight multi-role fighter jet born from Sweden's need for a versatile and affordable aircraft. Saab, its manufacturer, designed it to be a true jack-of-all-trades. The Gripen can perform air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and reconnaissance missions effectively. Its design emphasizes efficiency, ease of maintenance, and the ability to operate from dispersed rugged airstrips like highways. This makes the Gripen a highly practical and resilient fighter. It is a testament to clever engineering, proving that a smaller, smarter aircraft can be a formidable opponent against larger, more expensive foes on the modern battlefield. On the other side of this epic showdown stands the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. This aircraft is China's answer to America's stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The J-20 is a fifth-generation twin-engine stealth fighter designed for a completely different kind of war. Its primary purpose is to penetrate deep into heavily defended enemy airspace, neutralize high-value targets, and establish air dominance from long distances. The J-20's large frame, stealthy characteristics, and advanced avionics represent a massive leap forward for China's aerospace industry. It is a symbol of the country's rising military power and its ambition to project force far beyond its borders. The core philosophies behind these two jets could not be more different. The Gripen is the embodiment of a smart fighter concept. It relies on advanced data links, a powerful radar, and a sophisticated electronic warfare suite to outsmart its opponents. Sweden's strategy was to build a cost-effective jet that could be produced in large numbers and operated with minimal support. In contrast, the J-20 follows the high-end stealth philosophy. Its design prioritizes low observability and long-range engagement capabilities above all else. China invested heavily in creating a platform that can see a threat long before it is seen, dictating the terms of the fight from the shadows. When it comes to stealth, there is a clear distinction between the Gripen and the J-20. The J-20 Mighty Dragon is a true stealth aircraft, designed from the ground up to have a very low radar cross-section, especially from the front. Its chiseled angles, internal weapons bays, and special radar-absorbent materials are all intended to make it incredibly difficult to detect and track. The Gripen, on the other hand, is not a stealth fighter. Instead, it is best described as having a reduced radar signature. Saab used smart design choices, some composite materials, and a potent electronic warfare system to make it a smaller target on radar than older fourth-generation jets. But it cannot hide like the J-20 can. In terms of raw speed, both aircraft are impressive performers, but they are built for different flight envelopes. The J-20, with its powerful twin engines, is believed to be capable of supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without using its fuel-guzzling afterburners. This allows it to cover vast distances quickly while conserving fuel, a critical advantage for its long-range interceptor role. The Gripen is also very fast, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 2. However, it was primarily optimized for performance at transonic and supersonic speeds in a dogfight, focusing on acceleration and energy retention rather than sustained high-speed cruising across an ocean. Range is another area where their design philosophies create a significant gap. The J-20 is a large aircraft with a substantial internal fuel capacity, designed specifically for long-range missions. It is built to operate far from its home base, projecting power across the vast expanses of the Pacific. Its combat radius is estimated to be significantly greater than that of most fourth-generation fighters. The Gripen, designed to defend Swedish airspace and operate from nearby bases, has a more modest range. While external fuel tanks can extend its reach, its fundamental design is geared toward a smaller operational area, emphasizing rapid response and sortie generation over long-distance patrols. The combat power of these jets is tied directly to these characteristics. The J-20's strength comes from its combination of stealth and long-range sensors and weapons. It is designed to use its low observability to get into a favorable firing position and launch advanced long-range air-to-air missiles, like the PL-15, before the enemy even knows it's there. The Gripen's combat power is derived from its flexibility and situational awareness. It carries a wide array of weapons and uses its advanced data link, the Tactical Information Data Link System, to share targeting information with other Gripens and friendly forces, creating a networked web of sensors and shooters to overwhelm an adversary. The JS-39 Gripen truly comes alive in a close-range engagement, often called a dogfight. Its design features, including a delta wing and canards, make it exceptionally agile. This configuration allows the pilot to perform tight, high-G turns and quickly change direction, giving it a significant edge in a visual range fight. The Gripen's high thrust-to-weight ratio means it can accelerate rapidly and regain energy lost during hard maneuvers. This is crucial for getting into a superior firing position or for escaping a dangerous situation. In the chaotic, swirling battle of a dogfight, the Gripen's pure maneuverability makes it a deadly and respected opponent. Another key to the Gripen's dogfighting prowess is its advanced cockpit and sensor fusion. The Gripen E features a wide-area display, a helmet-mounted display system, and a powerful Raven ES-05 ESA radar. These systems work together to give the pilot an unparalleled understanding of the battle space. The jet can fuse data from its own sensors with information shared by other aircraft and ground stations, painting a complete picture of friendly and enemy positions. This high degree of situational awareness allows the Gripen pilot to make split-second decisions, anticipate an opponent's moves, and exploit fleeting opportunities even when the fight gets up close and personal. Conversely, the J-20 Mighty Dragon is designed to avoid the dogfight altogether. Its primary advantage is its stealth, which allows it to operate like a shadowy hunter. The J-20's mission is to detect, track, and engage targets from beyond visual range. It uses its low observable characteristics to remain hidden from enemy radar, while its own advanced sensors scan the sky. The goal is to launch its long-range missiles and destroy the threat before the enemy pilot ever gets a warning. For the J-20, a successful mission is one where the fight is over, before the opponent even realizes they are under attack. Its size and design are not optimized for tight-turning fights. The J-20's strength in long-range combat is further enhanced by what is believed to be a very powerful sensor suite and a large weapons bay. The aircraft can carry a formidable load of long-range air-to-air missiles internally, preserving its stealth profile. This allows it to threaten enemy fighters and critical support aircraft like tankers and AWACS planes from incredible distances. By targeting these high-value assets, the J-20 can effectively cripple an enemy's ability to conduct air operations. This long-reach strike capability is the cornerstone of its design, making it a strategic weapon system, not just a tactical fighter jet. In any real-world conflict, cost is always a critical factor. Here, the Gripen holds a massive advantage. The JS-39 Gripen is famous for being one of the most affordable modern fighter jets to both purchase and operate. Its single-engine design, smaller size, and focus on ease of maintenance result in a significantly lower cost per flight hour compared to larger, twin-engine jets. This means a nation can afford to buy more Gripens, fly them more often for training, and sustain a larger, more combat-ready fleet for the same budget. This economic efficiency is a strategic advantage in itself, especially for countries with limited defense spending. The J-20, on the other hand, represents a massive investment in high-end technology. As a large, twin-engine, fifth-generation stealth fighter, its development, production, and operational costs are substantially higher than the Gripens. While the exact figures are not public, it is safe to assume that a single J-20 costs several times more than a Gripen E. This high cost limits the number of aircraft that can be built and deployed. The question then becomes one of quality versus quantity. Can a smaller number of highly advanced J-20s defeat a much larger force of capable, but less stealthy Gripen fighters? The answer depends entirely on the combat scenario. In a head-on, beyond visual range engagement over open water, the J-20's stealth and long-range missiles would give it a decisive advantage. It could likely detect and engage a formation of Gripens before they are ever aware of the threat. However, if the Gripens use their data links, terrain masking, and support from ground-based radar to survive the initial volley and force a close-range fight, the tables could turn dramatically. In a chaotic dogfight, the Gripen's superior agility and the sheer number of aircraft could overwhelm the less nimble J-20s. Ultimately, there is no simple answer to which jet is better. The winner of a showdown between the Gripen and the J-20 is determined by the context of the battle. It depends on the mission, the terrain, the rules of engagement, pilot skill, and the support assets available. The J-20 is the superior long-range interceptor and stealth striker. The Gripen is the more agile and cost-effective multi-role fighter. This epic rivalry showcases a fundamental truth of modern air power. There is more than one way to win a fight, and the smartest commander will always play to their aircraft's strengths.